Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Odgie's Locksport Begins yet again. The last video didn't go too badly, so I thought I'd do a second one. And thank you everyone for watching the last video, and thank you for those handful of people that have subscribed. Surprised and quite pleased actually by the fact you guys actually fancy it wasn't too bad that first attempt. So we're going to try a second video for you today, and it's going to be this rather fantastic little Ibis lock. It's not the most highest challenging lock in the world, but it's about my level at the moment. Inside, despite this little box, it's got a red padlock. We have a nice blue one inside, and you can see there it is the Ibis 7240, and inscribed on the outside, or engraved should I say, it has Tyco, which is a security brand I believe. Anyway, it does have a key. It came as part of, or came to me, as part of a box of beginner's locks from Boggy, who's part of the UK locksport.co.uk forum. Highly recommend going there and checking them out. It was part of a box of lots of different locks aimed for beginners, aimed for people who are kind of relatively new starting out, and this is certainly took my eye and was my challenge. Another new Locksport YouTuber anyway mentioned about being frustrated about locks and watching other people look at it and clicking through locks so easily. This has been my frustrating lock. Frustrating for me, not because it was so difficult I couldn't do it, but frustrating because the first time I picked it up I opened it in about 2 to 4 minutes and then couldn't repeat it for over a week. I have no idea what I did that first time, just a bit of beginner's luck. But we're going to try and get it back open for you today. And if we have enough time, if I manage to get it open in the first place, I'll try and gut it for you as well, so you can see what's inside. As I said, I have picked it before, so this isn't a brand new pick-in whereby I haven't got a clue what's going on. I've got a pretty good idea. But it's practice for me, so I love it. So let's give it a go. The top of a tensioner, this pry bar style kind of fits in. It's got a bit of a strange keyway. Sorry everybody, we just ran out of storage space then on this wonderful device, so we'll start that picking again. And hopefully we'll get them open, and hopefully we'll have time for a pick-in as well. Now this is not necessarily the right tensioner for this. This top of the keyway pry bar, I think it's a little bit sloppy in it, but it will work. Let me start at the back. I found that easier on this lock. Got 6, it's 6-pinner. That's a big click off 5, I think there. Oh, I moved quite a bit around there, a little bit of false set going on there. Good bit of counter rotation now, that's on 3 there, I think that was. Stuck pick, wasn't expecting that. There we go. Still I'm a little far out for you, let me just come in a little bit. That's a bit better, you can see what's going on. massive bit of counter rotation, and in the background I hear my baby boy has woken up in the middle of the night. So, is this pin's going to just drop now, or we're just going to have to say good night on this one? Oh no, look at that, and we're open. Oh, thank goodness for that, just in the nick of time. Right, there's our open. I'm just going to pause this video again, and I shall be back in a minute. Sorry about that, he's ill at the moment, but we got her open, fantastic. You probably did spot that actually I may have had it open and hadn't quite got enough tension on. This happened to me a couple of times while picking this lock, especially in that first week of frustration. I'd actually had it picked but hadn't quite got enough tension on the lock to get it picked. Using the key, I'll show you just how much tension it needs. If I can get the key in now. It's actually quite a satisfying big click out of that. And then afterwards, no spring tension on that key. So all that spring tension is all holding the shaft of that lock in. Right, we've got enough time. Let's try and get it picked. So I'll try and get it gutted, shall we? So let's move that out of the way. Let's bring in some very makeshift tools we've got over here. And I'll see what I can do. Apologise, we do go quiet for this bit. As I said, as you know, new at this. So this bit's going to be a bit slow and I have to concentrate while gutting locks. As we have got a lot of firsts going on. So this was my first removable core padlock. Let's clear some space. Unscrews pretty easily. Let's just come back out a bit, make life a bit easier for you guys to see what's going on. Right. Here's where I stab myself in the fingers with the circlip pliers. And I might have to go and tell my dog to stop whining as well. You might better hear that in the background. Oh, what an eventful evening. I've been trying to get this video made for a couple of days now. But with work and things getting in the way. Life goes on, doesn't it? Right, let's get that circle out. Talking about life going on, I had pre-prepared a fantastic follower for us. However, it's been tidied up. Oh, there's the key. One thing I did learn in a practice picking or practice gutting of this is you can see the row of holes at the bottom of there. If you turn this 180 degrees, your key pins are going to go out through those holes. So let's just make sure we don't quite go as far as that. And then we'll try and mod cons here with a children's felt tip pen, but I found it can just about be done. Oh, I'm dropping pins already. That's that first key pin out. Let's just do that the other way up, shall we? And then we shouldn't have any problems. All mistakes kept in this. Just to show. I'm not a seasoned professional. I'm genuinely making this up as I go along. Right, that's that key pin from there, and I can feel I've just got caught on one from the Bible, which is just peeking through. Just pop that back down and in. Just so I can come back to that in a moment. Okay. Well, there we are. We lost pin 1, I think that was, yeah. So let's just pop him into there. And 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Just bring those down a bit there. There's our key pins. Now let's do the bit I'm not so confident with, but hey, we'll try here. What could possibly go wrong apart from firing pins and springs everywhere? Here we go, here's one. Try this an angle where you might be able to see what's going on. You might have to forgive me on that one for today. 2. There's 3. So we've got a standard and a spool and a spool going on there. If I'd thought this out better and practiced a bit more with this stand-in pen lid follower, I'd have realised that I can't actually push it all the way through. So we'll just have to do the best we can. And just ease them out slowly. There we go. Here comes 4. Getting very close to the end. Oh, nearly lost him. 5 and he's going to ping somewhere. 6. So spring wise, there. Same springs all the way along, and we're missing one spring, which there we are. That's just in one there. Not sure if he's going to come out. I'll leave him for now. Flying springs. There we go. Right, folks. We got him done. This has been a bit long. I do apologise. I may have to do some fancy editing to get this cut down, but there's my pins. Ooh. Finger on the camera. There we go. So we've got standard, and then standard spool, standard spool, standard spool, standard spool. So 5 spools in this 6-pin lock. That's about the standard where I am at the moment. It's not the best, but it's a massive leap from where I started just a few months ago. I hope this hasn't been too boring for you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, please leave me comments, please give me tips. I'm always happy for any advice. Thanks for watching. Bye now.